Hey, it's Roberto Miki again, and we've got another great hand question of the week. It's May 6th, 2025, and this is number 52 in our series. Well, let's get right into it. In an article by Vano et al., what was the relative risk of radiation-induced changes to the lenses of the eyes in interventional cardiologists compared to normal controls? A, -2, B, equal, C, 1.5, D, 3.2, or E, 5.1? Well, here's your chance to pause the video, think about the question, and answer it. The relative risk of radiation-induced changes in the lenses of interventional cardiologists was 3.2 compared to controls, 38% compared to 12%, with a p-value of less than 0.005. Wearing leaded glasses and decreasing exposure to the eyes whenever possible are suggested based on this study. Here's the reference. And the answer to the question is D, 3.2. Well, hope you enjoyed the video, and remember to like and subscribe to continue to support this channel.